My name is Genesis Sandino and I'm in the Automotive Technology program, and this is my second year. So the credential that we're getting is our ASE certifications, Automotive Service Excellence. My junior year last year, we took 4 or 5 different ASE tests, and every time I passed, I just felt so proud and accomplished because I realized I was like, okay, waking up early every day to come to school and learn has been worth it. All the countless hours of studying have been worth it. It can help me whenever it comes to a certain pay rate or holding a certain position as an entry-level technician. The more credentials I get, it's like kind of getting more money. Having an ASE credential could show my future employer the knowledge I obtain within a certain skill level revolved around the industry, and my hard work paying off as I've been studying in class and working hard to pass my tests. West-Mec has definitely helped with my confidence a lot. As you know, in the auto industry, there aren't very many women involved. I remember when I first joined, I was really nervous and scared and skeptical about how I was going to learn and the environment. But I've grown to be very confident and very responsible, and I just feel like because of West-Mec, the day that I graduate, I'm not going to worry about what comes next in life.